Steve from Instrument Systems, and I'm going to attempt to show you the murky world of SDI-12. So what we have here we have a hydrologger, which we are talking to this SDI-12 sensor. It's just the climate soil moisture sensor. So the first thing that you can do is through Starlog version 4, probably the simplest thing to do is to test using SDI-12 transparent mode. Now with SDI-12 transparent mode, you are going to talk directly through the logger to the sensor. So everything is going through this logger, and if everything is all working correctly, you should be able to read data directly off the sensor. So from Starlog version 4, you can go to the Diagnostics tab down here, and you can select SDI-12 test. Now, when you click on connect, now it's going to warn you that it will stop the clock. On all your data loggers, when you go into transparent mode, the clock will stop, and therefore if you're in it for a significant amount of time, you'll need to correct the time or else just reprogram the logger to ensure that the time is correct. We'll go OK. Right, now down the bottom is our communications, and we can see that it's entered SDI-12 mode. So now what we can do is we can select search. What this is going to do is it's going to test every address from address 0 to address 9 to see what sensors we actually have sitting on the bus connected to the logger. So what it's found is at address 0 we have found a sensor that says it's an climber. So that's a good start. It means that the sensor is correctly connected to the logger, it's powered up and it's talking. So now we could do a measure command, and you can just select that from this drop down list, measure, send. Doesn't always work. Try again. Okay, the sensor, a climber, will have read 4 values in 1 second. So the program has interpreted the response for you, so you don't need to know what all the codes mean. Send the read data command after this timeout. So you have to wait for the interval that the sensor says it will take to take those readings. And then from the drop down list you can select read data, send. And again, it's interpreted the response for you, it's returned 4 values and it's listed them below there. So by doing that, what we've done is we've proven that the logger is correctly connected to the sensor and the sensor is returning data. And if the data looks sensible, then we can say that everything is connected and working properly.